They've been making chain by hand in the Cradley Heath area since the early 1800s. A lot of small-sized chain and shackles was made for chain companies by outworkers, whole families who made chain at home. They'd make chain in a workshop at the bottom of the garden or at the back of the house. They'd buy in the iron and coke from a chain company and sell the finished chain back to them at the end of the week. Over the years, chain making, along with the anchor business, grew into a prosperous industry, drawing on the skills and brawn of the local men till the black country character became known for what he was: hard working, hard drinking, hard living. Most chainsmiths learnt the trade through family connections. The know-how was handed down generation to generation. As a lad, he'd go to work with his father, getting the knack of handling tools, learning the right heat of the fire for bending and welding wrought iron links. It was a hard life for a lad, taking at least 7 or 8 years before he could call himself a chainsmith. Incidentally, they'd only pay him for the links he'd shot, and then only if up to scratch. Wrought iron bar is cropped to length. The straight link, as it is then called, is heated in the breeze fire. Using his bending tongs, he puts the link into the bender and bends it U-shaped. After refiring, using his holders, he wraps the bent link round the point of the vicken. Then with his hammer, he welds the link. To finish off the weld, he uses the tommy. When making stud link chain, the link is formed, the stud is set into the hot link, and as it cools, it grips the stud tight. Round about the 1950s, demand for handmade chain started to fall off due to the competition from mass-produced machine-made chain. There's no doubt about it. Machine-made chain is cheaper, of a more consistent quality and a better finish. Before the 1950s, in this works alone, there were over 50 fires going flat out from 4:30 in the morning till midday. Now, we're down to 2. It's January 1977. Ralph Tilley and old Sam here, both with nearly 50 years in the trade, are finishing. It's the end of the road for them. They're shutting their last links. After today, there'll be no more handmade chain.